you guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I do 3 videos a week, and I would love if you would subscribe and ring the little notification bell to be notified when I upload and become part of my little YouTube fam. So this is my 3rd Prime wardrobe unboxing and try on haul. I love doing it. So much fun. So this time again, I got another big old, I think this box is bigger. Oh my gosh. I think this box is bigger than the last time. It is a big box, and I got some pretty dresses for summer and stuff. So we're gonna see how those look. And if you guys are interested in seeing this haul and try on, then let's get on into it. So let's dig into this box. Oh, it's really cool though, because the box they give you, like, you tear this part off like so, and then when you're done, there's this sticky strip right here that you just can close the box and mail it back. It comes with a prepaid label and everything, so that's really nice. We did secure it with tape. It just didn't feel that secure with just that one strip. But I love that they give you the option where you don't have to have tape, you don't have to have packing stuff, you don't have to print out the label. It's just all ready for you. So it's so convenient to get this stuff shipped to you. And if you haven't heard about Prime Wardrobe, basically they ship you up to 8 things at a time, and you can try it before you buy it. They don't charge you until you go on. You have 1 week to decide if you like it or not, and then you pick and choose what you want to keep, what you want to send back, and then they just charge you for what you're keeping. So it's a great little system. I love it. This is my 3rd box. And let's see what we got. Ooh, I forgot I got accessories. So this first one, this is such a pretty color. This is the Donna Morgan Women's Chemical Lace. Chemical Lace? What does that mean? Chemical Lace Spaghetti Strap Midi Dress in blue. And I just thought it was so pretty. It feels really good quality, really nice. And this was $154.51. 51? Yeah, 51. I thought that it just looks so pretty. I'm gonna try it on and see. I normally don't wear shorter dresses like this, but I thought for summer, for like going out on a date night or like going to a wedding or something, if I have one, that might be really nice. So we will see what this looks like on, but it definitely feels really nice quality. I've not heard of Donna Morgan before, but it just seemed so cute and flirty and like comfortable for summer. I love things that are comfortable. Like it flares out at the waist. If you have any stomach issues like I have right now with quarantine and snacking too much, it's going to just kind of help hide that. So that's really nice. So that looks really cute. I'm excited to try that on. Okay, how cute is this one? I love it so much. I feel like it's just really nice and flattering. So comfortable because it's just kind of light and breezy and lace. I don't feel like my legs are exposed at all. The underneath comes up to here, and anything like this kind of range I'm not that comfortable with, but because this kind of covers, even though it is lace, I don't mind it. And I think the color's really pretty. I think it's just really flirty and girly and feminine, and I'm kind of obsessed. And it is just nice and comfortable. Like I said, it just kind of flows over my problem areas. Just nice and flattering. So yeah, of course, I find a really expensive dress that I love. Let me know what you guys think. This one is by Roxy, and it is the Women's Hot Summer Lands Long Dress in Marshmallow Jungle Boogie. That's interesting. But again, just looks really cute, really nice flowy dress, pretty, nice for summer. And this was $70. So this I feel like is a little more my style. I'd probably get more wear out of this one than the blue one, just because it is long. I like to just kind of have my legs covered. I'm just weird like that. I don't like wearing shorts. I only do like when it's really, really hot. So a dress like this is a lot more wearable for me. I am kind of worried though, because it seems like it's kind of see-through. So I don't love that, but we'll see when I try it on what it looks like. but I think it's really pretty. Okay, this dress is really cute. I feel like it is just so nice and pretty for summer. I love these little flutter sleeve details and the crisscross back. Yes, I have a tank top. It's annoying. I know. I'm sorry. But it's what you got to do when you're wearing a black bra and you don't want it to show through, because this is see-through. I think this might be really cute as like a swimsuit cover-up. I always need those. I feel like I just wear like normal shorts and tank tops over my swimsuit. And I think just wearing something like this would be so much cuter and like more fashionable than tank top and shorts. But it's really comfortable, really pretty. I feel like it's just easy. Just nice, cute, summery, and this little flutter sleeve detail thing is just so cute. So I really like this one. So I got 2 pairs of cute sandals that'd be nice for summer. So these are the Kenneth Cole New York Women's Olivia Cross Wedged Heel, and these were $82.26. So I took the thing out so you could see it a lot better. It's got like a nice gold little buckle. Just really cute. I think things like this are so nice for summer. I haven't really bought any in a long time, like kind of wedge sandals like this, but I mean, they're so cute, and I feel like it would just dress up any outfit for summer instead of just wearing like flip-flops. So I know they're a little expensive, $82 for some sandals. I feel like that's a little pricey, but when you're getting a good brand, you know they're gonna last a long time, and they're probably really comfortable. So I'm excited to try those on and see what I think. So here are those sandals. They feel really nice. I think they're so cute. I love the shade of nude that they are. It's just like perfect. I love that they're not too fancy or dressy or anything, but they definitely would dress up an outfit instead of flip-flops or just like flat sandals. And I love wearing wedges. I wear like wedge boots most of the time. So this would be something really nice. I feel like they're so comfortable. The price isn't too bad, like I was saying. But I mean, I just think they're so cute. This one looks so pretty. The colors are just really nice and vibrant. So this one is the Betsey Johnson Women's Off the Shoulder Maxi Dress in Malibu Blue, and it was $95.96. Just looked so nice and summery. It is a little brighter than things I usually wear, like more neutral colors, but I thought this might be fun to try on and just see what I think. Because it's just really pretty, and again, it's a maxi dress, so very wearable for me, especially with the off the shoulder. I just really like that for me. I think it flatters my shape a lot nicer than like a thicker strap would. So yeah, I'm excited to try that one on. Okay, I think I'm in love with this dress. I wasn't sure about the color, but I think it's really cute. I love a good floral pattern. And it's just so nice and summery. I feel like I'd be comfortable wearing this. It's not too tight or anything. It kind of has that nice flow out from the waist. That's just really flattering, and you don't have to worry about like this area, you know, showing, because it just kind of flows over it. And I love off the shoulder things like this. I just think it's really pretty for summer. It's a very flattering look without being too casual and just like a tank top or, you know, racer back kind of tank situation. So I think this is pretty. It's definitely long enough. I'm on my toes right now and it's almost touching the ground. So again, a good find if you need a nice pretty dress for summer or a summer wedding. I love it. So then here's the other pair of sandals that I got. This is the Gentle Soles Women's Alyssa T-Strap Espadrille Wedge Sandal. And these were $187. So these were over double the price of the other ones. But I just wanted to try them out and see. I mean, they look really good quality. I feel like these might even last longer than the other ones because you have like the other, I don't even know what you call this, the other sole at the bottom. So it's not just the like the fabric-y material. So I don't know. I'll try them on and see what I think. But this is the other pair was expensive, I thought. So this is like way expensive. But I feel like with shoes, if you're gonna wear them and you know you're gonna wear them a lot for a long time, it could just be worth it. And you guys, when I feel this feels so buttery soft. Wow, okay. I don't think I've ever owned a pair of shoes this expensive. So we're gonna try those on. So here's the sandals Sandal. I only wanted to try on one just so I don't have to take it out of the like protective packaging and stuff. But I think they're cute, but it's, for some reason it doesn't fit my foot right. Like right in this area, it just kind of pushes in the wrong way. But other than that, it's so comfortable. I feel like maybe I would need to go down a half a size. I feel like there's a little room, so maybe that's the problem, but definitely think they're just really cute. Okay, I'm kind of confused at this because this is the Allie & J Women's Spicy Miami Sleeveless Plunging Ruffle Hem Dress, but the picture shows like a jumpsuit with pant legs, and this is not that. Like, this is shorter and it just has like a ruffle hem. So I don't really, I was kind of looking forward to the pantsuit thing, jumpsuit, whatever it is. That's weird. I mean, of course I'll try it on anyways, but I'm not so excited about it. Why? So this was $90.90. So we'll try that on, but probably won't like it just because that's not what I was wanting. I was wanting a jumpsuit. Okay, you guys, this dress is a complete fail. Of course, this is not what I thought I ordered, but it's way too low. Like, I would never wear something that's this like low, and like these don't tighten that much. It's actually too small. Like, if I were to get this, I would go up a size. It's just not my style. I feel like I'm gonna go salsa dancing or something. I like the print, but like, this just is not it for me. It's not okay. Okay, hopefully this one is a jumpsuit like it's supposed to be. Yes, it is. Okay. So this one is the Truth and Fable Women's Wrap Back Wide Leg Jumpsuit, and it was $76.43. It looks really nice. This fabric feels really nice, looks really nice quality. It is a jumpsuit, not a short dress, so that's good. And we will just have to try that on and see how it fits. You never know how these things are gonna fit. Like, I feel like I don't have the body for jumpsuits unless it's like the perfect jumpsuit for me. So we'll see. Okay, I have some thoughts about this jumpsuit. I think the overall look is really, really cute, but I just don't think it fits me very well. Like, something about this shape right here does not look good. I feel like the waist is like too low, the bust area is too low, and then don't mind my undershirt. But it's also see-through, so if you don't have like nude undergarments, it's just gonna really show and be annoying. I do love like the overall style of it. I just wish that it was not see-through and just fit me a little bit better. I feel like for the price of something like this, you want it to like really fit you nice. It's kind of sad because I kind of think it's really cute, but I'm like, if I'm not comfortable in it, I'm not gonna wear it. So, but I love like the wide leg. It's really nice and long, so I could even wear heels or wedges and it would be fine. So I'm not sold. And then also it does accentuate my little, I'm calling it a quarantine tummy, which, well, I need to get rid of, but it doesn't do me any favors in this area. Let's just say that. So let me know what you guys think. And then the last thing I got was this sun hat because I thought, why not try something new, or why not try out some accessories? So this is the Pistol Women's Love It sun hat, and it was $52. So it's really cute. It has like their little logo thing on this little metal decal on the side. I like that it's like metal, so you can kind of bend and shape it how you want it. So that's kind of nice. So, I mean, I've never really owned a sun hat that I've bought some before, but I never really had any that I thought looked good on me. So maybe I'll put this on with one of the dresses if I feel like it looks nice, but like, that could be cute. I feel like they look weird on me. Do they look weird? Does it look weird, or is this fine? I have a weird thing about hats where I put them on and I think it just looks weird on me, but everyone else it looks normal on. So I don't know, but like, I think it's kind of cool that you can kind of shape it. You can like, I don't know. It's really nice. It feels really good quality. Definitely better than any of the ones I've bought before. Okay, I may have found my new summer hat. I've never owned one of these that I thought I could wear, that I actually like wore and looked cute, but this one is really cute. I feel like I really like it. It's not too big, but it's also like still a nice floppy hat, but it has like those metal things so you can kind of move and play with it how you want. And I think it looks really cute with this dress. So if this was my swimsuit cover up, I could just wear this hat with my swimsuit underneath out, and I'm ready to go in the lake, in the ocean, in a pool, wherever I'm going to go in the summer. But I think this definitely looks a lot cuter than what I normally wear, which just, again, tank top and shorts, and then no cute hat, no cute dress. I don't know, I just feel like this is really cute. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link the other 2 Prime Wardrobe videos down below. If you haven't seen those yet, please go check them out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.